we move on to spill the three.
Three!
Okay. Ito ate, baka gusto mong bigyan tayo ng context sa ating spill the three, lalo na malapit to sa bitukan ng lahat ng Pilipino ngayon at kailangan nilang maintindihan.
Oo, kasi halos lahat gumagamit ng ChatGPT. Lahat gumagamit ng AI, pati sa pictures, no? May mga profile pics nga dyan, AI na, di ba?
Mm.
Bakit? Bakit ba AI? Anong connection sa Spill the Three? It's about pack silica and semiconductor expansion in the Philippines. This is going to happen in New Clark City in Tarlac. Recently, we were given a tour by the BCDA there in New Clark City, and they actually pointed out the area where Pac Silica is supposed to rise. Actually, I think it's starting to rise. So, ano ba to? It's about economics, technology, and infrastructure. So what's happening? So nag-sign tayo with Paxilica. It's a US-led international alliance. It's designed to secure global supply chains for AI. AI is artificial intelligence, and to advance semiconductors, critical minerals outside of Chinese control. Outside of Chinese control kasi nga Amerika ang may-ari ng Paxilica.
Mm.
Ngayon, dito sa agreement na to, may 4,000 acres. Oh, di ba it's so American?
Di ba?
Acres. Economic Security Zone that's being built doon sa Luzon Economic Corridor. Wow, what's that? Wow, Economic Corridor. New Clark City. It's AI native. So para bang siyang Silicon Valley. Silicon
Okay.
Valley. So yan, um, generational opportunity daw to para sa ekonomiya natin ng bansa.
Mm.
Transform the country from an exporter of raw material ores into high-tech manufacturing center. Gosh, we're rising in the world.
Mm.
Pero
Pero,
public public backlash is mounting. Bakit? Now you tell me. Mon.
syempre, dito sa ating agreement na ito with the US, parang hindi natin ni-review, no? Hindi natin ni-review yung mga which we will discuss later. Kaya
Mm.
nagagalit ang mga Pilipino because napakalaki po ng epekto nito sa ating industrial waste, no? It somehow parang we're being asked to host the dirtiest, most water-intensive parts of the global tech chain, semiconductor packaging, testing, and mineral processing, while the US keeps the highest value. 'Di ba? So parang dito kasi kaya nagagalit yung mga tao, it's because kulang na nga tayo ng tubig. May relation
Yun
siya
na
sa
nga, lalo yung
water
area na
supply kasi
yun.
ate because putting up this facility, yung PAC Silica, would
Mm.
require millions of gallons of water. Na knowing na dito sa Pilipinas, kulang na nga ang tubig, no?
Correct.
Baguio, nakaschedule ang water supply, minsan wala pa. Kaya nga nagagalit sila yung tubig daw ng mga tao ngayon sa Baguio, pinupour sa Burnham Lake.
Ala,
Tapos,
grabe. Ganun ba?
nabasa ko lang yun online. Tapos, sa Manila, kakaubusan talaga. Nagkukulang na nga tayo ng water. Then we are allowing a US company right now. Sana hindi ako naririnig ni Trump dahil nasa tabi lang ako ng Washington,
Oo
White
nga,
House.
nandiyan ka na sa Medici, oh.
Oo, so sa, napupunta sa kanila yung water na kulang sa atin. And Filipinos are angry because the Philippines absorbs environmental degradation, resource depletion, geopolitical risk, tapos foreign corporation reap the economic rewards. Hindi kasi
So,
natin
parang,
naiintindihan yung ganong parte na they use our environmental resources. They use
diba, it's
manpower.
unfair.
'Di ba? They use geopolitical risks. Pero sa kanila lahat, sa kanila most of the benefits. Kaya nagagalit ang mga Pilipino. Hindi lang yan usapin ng tubig. Usapin din yan ng paggamit ng kung ano ang meron sa mga Pilipino para sa Pilipino.
Isa pa dyan, ha, kuryente. Kasi nga,
Yes.
Luzon grid na to.
Mm.
Lagi tayong nasa red alert, yellow alert, meaning mababa yung supply ng kuryente to meet yung demand. Lalo na tuwing summer. Talagang ang taas niyan. Kaya nga nagro-rotational brownouts tayo, blackouts, power outages.
Mm.
Dadagdagan mo pa ng isang malaking facility na magko-consume ng power.
Sabi ko nga kanina, yung about sa water, a
Oo.
single chip fab, millions of gallons ang kailangan niyan a day.
AI pa lang, di ba?
A day.
Yan.
Tapos, agricultural water in Pampanga and Tarlac, maaapektuhan yan. Sa US kasi, pinakita niyo yung epekto ng water, ng tap water, kung saan nag-ooperate ang PAC Silica. Pinakita niya brown yung tubig.
Ay, wow, parang Erin
Pinakita
Brockovich.
niya mismo sa congressional hearing. So, we learn. Let's check. Let's research. Kung hindi kaya ng government, tayong mga Pilipino, dito lumalabas yung voices natin. Let's check what happened in other countries and why are they rejecting or why are they looking for other countries to host yung ganitong plantasyon or companies. So, I hope hindi mangyari sa atin yun.
What's the tea?
So, yan na nga. Ang ating tea dito is that PAC Silica is that it isn't just a high-tech economic partnership. No, it is high-stake resource trade-off na parang under the banner siya na parang international security and digital modernization, pero actually the Philippines is being asked to give up its clean water. Yung kakulangan ng ating kuryente sinasacrifice natin, ang ating ancestral lands, no? Ready tayong ibigay to build the physical backbone for Western AI software. The government promotes the promise of tech jobs. Nandyan tayo, kailangan natin ng trabaho. Hinihingi natin yan sa gobyerno. But reality on the ground is an unequal bargain where the foreign tech industry gets the high value profits. Tapos ang local communities, we get industrial risk. We get all the risk.
Alam nyo, aside pala from yung tubig tsaka kuryente, ha? Ancestral land rights. Isa pa yan na issue na actually up to now, hindi pa siya fully resolved in that area. Yun, the right to protection. Gusto ko kasi yan, the right to protection. Pagod na akong nang protect sa sarili ko. Pwede ba?
Oo nga.
DNR,
Hindi mo
ibang
naprotektahan
agency
yung
yan.
sarili mo recently. Chareng!
No, the truth sets you free. Just like
Correct.
here.
Yeah, the truth will set us free, but more than that, a responsible and transparent government can really set us free from risks and other factors that can damage our environment and our overall well-being.
Amen.